In the iOS 13.1 update, Apple has added a nice feature to the Maps app called Share ETA. This actually does much more than share your estimated time of arrival, though. It sends the recipient a live map of your route and the progress that you're making along it. So I'm going to get the route to my work favorite here in Maps. When I press Go to begin the route, notice that we have a Share ETA button that pops up.
Head northwest on West Prairie Road.
Tap, and I can then choose anyone in my contacts to share this with. I'm going to share with Drew. Over on the other iPhone, an alert appears. Tap, and we're taken into the Maps app, and the same route appears, and it includes the location of the person that shared their ETA. So this recipient can now keep an eye on where the sender is and have a good idea of when they're going to arrive at the destination. To stop sharing, the sender just needs to tap on the recipient here in Maps.
Starting route to work.
If you don't do this at the very beginning of a route,
On West
this
Prairie
Share
Road.
ETA button is going to eventually go away. But we can still share our ETA at any time by swiping up and tapping the Share ETA icon in this panel.